Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Now, we are still in unit number 1, and this is lesson number 9, which is all about giving directions. That's right. We have finally made it out of the basic sentence pattern, and now we are into the more specific sentence patterns. Awesome job. So let's take a look at our very first sentence, which is turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. Well, we sound like a robot, so we have to fix that. We don't want to sound like a navigation device. So how do we blend this? Take a look at the first ones. Turn left. That doesn't blend at all, right? Turn left doesn't blend. How about left at? Oh, that kind of goes together. Left at. Left at. Okay. Left at blends. Turn left at. Now where? At the, at the. That kind of goes together too, doesn't it? Turn left at the, turn left at the. Hey, that sounds good. Where? Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. That's it. That is our blend. Why? Because the specific direction, corner, should be separated. So any blends we have would be in the middle. Turn left at the corner. Repeat after me. Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. Yeah. So where is the music shop? Oh, it's over there. Turn left at the corner. Perfect. Let's move on to sentence number 2. Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. How do we blend this one? Well, let's start at the beginning. Go straight. Going straight don't really blend, but it seems like we can kind of vibrate a sound. So go straight, go straight, go straight. Kind of goes together, but it's not a true blend. Go straight. How far? Go straight, straight. That blends right there. Straight for, straight for. That T kind of falls away. Go straight for, go straight for. Ooh, we can even shorten it to go straight for. Go straight for, like a F-E-R sound. Go straight for, how far? 2 blocks. Now, anytime there's a number, we want to enunciate it very clearly. So we're always going to say our numbers perfectly clear. 2 blocks. 2 blocks. They're not blended. They are separate. 2 blocks. They're clear directions, very specific information. So let's put this all together. Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. Repeat after me. Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. Beautiful. We're going to go straight for 2 blocks and then turn left at the corner. Ooh, bonus round, right? All right, let's take a look at our third sentence, which is take the second right. Well, I kind of blended that a little by accident, so let's take a look at that. Take the, they don't blend at all. The set, there's our blend, right? The second right. Take the second right. Take the second right. Now that sounds nice and clean, doesn't it? Take the second right. Repeat after me. Take the second right. Take the second right. Where do I go after that? Oh, you take the second right. Sounds great. Let's move on to our fourth sentence, which is go past the supermarket. Well, now we have something like a place. We could easily substitute supermarket for another location. So this is a great pattern for you to remember. Let's see if we can blend them though. Go pat, go pat. Hey, it's not a perfect blend, but we can certainly smush them together. Go past, go past. How about past the, go past the. We can because our mouth is closed like that, right? Our mouth is closed so we can kind of blend it. Go past the, now what? Supermarket. No blend there, right? Go past the supermarket. Go past the supermarket. We stretched out supermarket and we made go past the same amount of time. Go past the supermarket. Timing is everything in English, especially when it comes to fluency. We want balance. We want it to sound nice and smooth. So go past the supermarket. Repeat after me. Go past the supermarket. Go past the supermarket. Where's the school? Oh, take the second right and go past the supermarket. Yeah, this is getting better, isn't it? Yeah. Now, let's take a look at our fifth sentence, which is, ooh, it's a hard one. Not really hard. It's just longer. Turn left, then go straight until you see the park. Big adult sentence right there, right? Here we go. Let's take it a piece by piece, okay? Turn left. Easy blend. Turn left. Turn left. Then. We're not going to even try. You see, there's a comma right there. That comma means there's no blend. That's punctuation. Punctuation means stop. And it means the same thing in speaking English too. We still want to stop. So turn left. Nice blend. Then go. That kind of goes together, right? Then go straight. Then go straight. All of that kind of smushes, doesn't it? Then go straight. Okay. Turn left. Then go straight until you see. Until you see. That's a very specific thing. So we're not going to blend it at all, right? Until you see. It's sped up, but it's enunciated very clearly. Turn left, then go straight until you see what? The park. The park. Let's put it all together. Turn left, then go straight until you see the park. Repeat after me. Turn left, then go straight until you see the park. Turn left, then go straight until you see the park. Turn left, then go straight until you see the park. There you go. That's great. I really like that sentence. Now, let's do our sixth sentence, which is, take the third left and the store will be on your right. There's another adult sentence, a real big one. But let's break it down. Make it nice and simple. Take the, no blend, the third. Take the third. Take the third. That blends, right? Take the third. Take the third left. Take the third left. Not really a blend, but we can loop it into that flow. Take the third left, and the store, and the D is gone, right? And take the third left, and the store will be. Okay, will be on, will be you hear a Y comes up, right? Will be on your right. Take the third left, and the store, and the store, and the store will be on your right. There are three major blends right there, aren't there? You see that? The third left and the store will be on. Let's put it all together. Take the third left and the store will be on your right. I didn't really say it fast, okay? So don't think that fluency requires speed. It doesn't. It just requires connecting these sounds nice and smoothly. So repeat after me. Take the third left and the store will be on your right. Take the third left and the store will be on your right. Take the third left and the store will be on your right. See, if I slow it down, it still has that same motion, okay? So take the third left, and the store will be on your right. And then you just speed it up, okay? But not too fast, because then you sound crazy. Mm. And we don't want crazy. We want nice and fluent. So if you have any questions, you're having problems, ask me. Ask me. I will help you. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm here for. Okay? Take a moment and leave me a comment. Tell me if this is helping you sound more smooth, or hey, I need some extra help. What do I do if this happens? Okay? So leave me a message and I will get back to you as fast as I can. Beep. Just like a old voice recorder. That's pretty funny. Answering machine. Okay, I'm done with the lesson. I'll see you for our next lesson, which is lesson 10, which is talking about the weather. Dun dun dun. The standard one, talking about the weather. But it's okay. We'll have fun with it. I'll see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.